Hello everyone! I thought it would be fun to send you guys a video of how our houses turned out, especially now that we're decorated for Christmas. Here's the front, the parking area. Over here on this side we have the trampoline and a little sitting area. This cute little walkway that we've gotten some plants and lamps and stuff. And it's just very, very welcoming. So let's go inside. Here's the entrance. We have a nice, beautiful table we found, all decorated for Christmas. Place to put shoes and stuff. This area is double height. And then you walk in. To the right is the kitchen, office, and a bathroom. To the left here are the stairs to go upstairs. We have a little play area for the kids, which turned out really great. I'll go slow so you don't get dizzy. This is the living room. We painted a beautiful green. The TV unit, that's the sitting area outside. Hang on one second, baby. The Christmas tree. And then here's, I'll get back a little bit. You wanna say hi, Brianna? She's working in a little program, school right now. Dining area. And then you come over here, and here is my office, which doubles as another room. We've already used it. It's a sleeper sofa right here. Then you come in. We have this beautiful desk that Pepe built me. You want to say hi?
Hi.
We're still getting stuff up on the walls. It's a work in progress. Eventually we'll want to paint in here and stuff, but it's great. We have a little unit over there that I use for craft supplies and extra stuff. And then this room has a bathroom. It's got a full shower and everything, which is nice for when we double this as a room, or double the office as a room. Then here's the kitchen. Then that's the little hallway leading back into the living room. Beautiful kitchen, nice big sink, lots and lots of storage, which is amazing. Beautiful view of the mountains over there. We've got all this great storage here. A place for a built-in oven one day, and yeah, and a little coffee cart that Pepe built, which is great. And then over here we have the laundry room. It's a little messy right now. We've got a team right now, but Pepe's got all of his outdoor gear, and I've got all the stuff for teams and cleaning, and all of Pepe's tools, which is great to have it all in one space. And that's the downstairs.